擠翻呢個入冰櫃啦，溶㗎啦。
Yeah. Well, yeah, I can give you
Just
some
like it.
orange.
Brian.
或者翻呢個入冰櫃先啦。呢個雪糕嚟㗎嘛，呢個雪糕嚟㗎嘛。
I'm having a piece of that. I'm having that.
你要啊？
Yeah, I don't want that.
你切一嚿俾佢啊，切一嚿擠翻入去溶佢。唔會溶啊！
Anybody have an ice cream cake?
I'll have maybe a little piece.
我結束俾你。
媽咪，
多俾佢。
要翻去沖涼都得啦。Look at my hand.
夠大。
Are you recording this?
You're gonna have diarrhea tomorrow.
Hi.
Yum yum. Bailey, did you want to cut your own cake?
Sure, why not?
9月 September。
Anybody else
Look
have
at
it?
him.
Or am I just cutting for myself? Because if I'm just cutting for myself, I just need
Oh
a
my
spoon.
God, the pen.
I don't need the knife.
Look
Diana,
at
are you
it.
gonna have a piece with me?
Yeah, Penny.
Little piece. Little.
Okay, like.
Happy birthday.
Brian. Brianku. Yum yum.
Yeah, you can cut it. You can cut it.
個盒都要浸一浸水。
You want to try it, buddy? It's really good.
我浸熱水。
It's very crumbly though. It's not crunchy.
He didn't have some yet.
Brian.
No, they did it. There's it. Boom it. That's some always, Daddy.
Oh my god.
My brother, Daddy.
I know, it's all dirty.
Yummy. Those shirts will be garbage. Is it good?
Daddy.
Daddy, can you
咁我有乜嘢？
喂，你有用㗎？
你咁乜嘢話？字典傳機。
下啲嘛。要讀音啊嘛。
讀音唔準嘅。
唉，總之上次你翻去叫你買。
嗰啲讀音唔準。
肉夾。
誒，嗰度好貴㗎。
Happy birthday, Brian.
哎呀，唔好意思啊，佢哋食唔到㗎啦。
Say hi to the camera. Oh, are you kidding me?
Oh my God. You could have.
Donna, that's your piece. Is that too big?
I think he's done.
Too little?
I think he walked out.
Come to me.